Welcome to another edition of Rail Fanning Vibes. Posted up on Washington Street here in Dayton, Ohio. Should be hearing the blast here any moment now. Looks like he has a slow roll on, but that's okay. I like him slow too. Oh man, nice horn, nice horn. Oh yeah. Bring it on, CSX. Bring it on. Wow, 2:35, second out. With some grain hoppers right now. Doing Rail Fanning Vibes. Sounding good, sounding good. I don't know if you heard that noise, but that came from the right above me, the highway overpass, I-75 overpass. CSX out tomorrow moves. CSXT. That's what's up. Oh, Rail Fanning Vibes. Bringing it to you live on the spot. Get out of the sun a little bit. Just kind of back up. It would be nice to get a train meet right now. That could be wishful thinking. CSX grain train. All right. Looks like they're all loaded. Check the springs out. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. There goes our northbound CSX all grain train. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment to Rail Fanning Vibes. All right, Rail fans, that'll be it for now. You guys have a good day. Take care. Happy Rail Fanning.